Today, I am reviewing the Byte Depot Gamer Master Gaming Desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. After spending significant time testing the Byte Depot Gamer Master Gaming Desktop, I can confidently say that this machine is a compelling contender for anyone looking to balance high-end productivity with a smooth 1440p gaming experience. When you first unbox this tower, the first thing you notice is the clean, professional build quality. Byte Depot has used a sleek black tempered glass case that doesn't just look the part but actually feels structurally sound. It is refreshing to see a pre-built system that arrives without a single shred of bloatware. You boot into a clean installation of Windows 11 Pro, and within seconds, you are ready to install your library rather than spending an hour uninstalling trial software and intrusive notifications. Under the hood, the combination of the Intel Core i7 processor and a massive 32 GB of high-performance memory makes this a multitasking powerhouse. In my testing, having dozens of Chrome tabs open alongside Discord, a music stream, and a resource-heavy game like Elden Ring didn't cause the system to flinch. The 32 GB of RAM is a standout feature here because many budget-friendly gaming rigs cut corners by only offering 16, but this extra headroom ensures that you won't be hitting a bottleneck during intense sessions or when editing video. The storage solution is another area where the Gamer Master shines. The 1TB Gen4 NVMe M.2 SSD is remarkably fast. I timed the boot sequences and game load times, and they are virtually instantaneous. If you are coming from an older system with a traditional hard drive, or even an older SATA SSD, the 30 times speed increase is noticeable in everything from the responsiveness of the OS to the transition screens in massive open-world titles like Grand Theft Auto 5 or Baldur's Gate 3. Now, let's talk about the gaming performance and the heart of the machine, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. While some might look at the 3050 as an entry-level card, the 6 GB of GDDR6 memory paired with NVIDIA's DLSS technology allows it to punch significantly above its weight class. In competitive titles like Valorant, Counter-Strike 2, and League of Legends, the frame rates are exceptionally high and stable, easily saturating high refresh rate monitors. Moving into more demanding territory, playing Black Myth Wukong and Helldivers 2 at 1440p Quad HD was a surprisingly smooth experience. You can comfortably hit 60+ frames per second by leveraging the modern architecture of the GPU, providing a visual clarity that 1080p just cannot match. Thermal management is often a weak point for pre-built PCs, but Byte Depot seems to have paid attention to the airflow. Even during sustained workloads and long gaming marathons in titles like Escape from Tarkov, the cooling system remained efficient and, perhaps more importantly, relatively quiet. The airflow design ensures that the internal components don't throttle, which is vital for maintaining that consistent performance when the action gets heavy on screen. Connectivity is another strong suit. Being Wi-Fi 6 ready and featuring Bluetooth 5.2 means your wireless peripherals and internet connection are as stable and fast as a wired setup. This is a huge plus for gamers who might not have an Ethernet port right next to their desk. The inclusion of a free gaming keyboard and mouse is a nice touch that adds immediate value, making this a true plug-and-play solution. Overall, the Byte Depot Gamer Master is a well-balanced, thoughtfully assembled machine. It bridges the gap between a workhorse PC and a dedicated gaming rig perfectly. Whether you are diving into the latest DLC for Elden Ring, competing in Apex Legends, or handling complex professional tasks, this desktop provides a reliable, fast, and visually stunning experience. It feels like a system built by people who understand what gamers actually need: speed, stability, and a clean starting point right out of the box.